one, these two. Oh no, this is the pen. This is the fly. And where's the clay? Oh, like here. Yeah. Let's open it. Okay. And thick enough. Thick enough. Thick enough. Wait. Wait. Di ba dati, ginawa ko na yung gagawa ko na ulit. First, ato, tama ako. Ato muna. Scissor. Oops. Bago, ganito. Ang gawa. Ang dami naman. At na, bumili naman tayo. Golden. And ito naman, mas maasim. Okay. We have a big thing. Ang saya, diba? Ito pa. Wait lang. Hi guys. Bye. The end.